Pinterest marketing. So in this video I'm going to show you how you could drive a lot of traffic from Pinterest to your blog. It's a very simple strategy which you could use to drive tons of traffic. So guys, let's get started. So guys, step 1 is having a Pinterest account. So go over to Google, type Pinterest and just click the first link and click on sign up. Once you sign up, the step 2 is follow people on your niche. So basically what it means is once you create your own profile, whatever your keyword is, search over here on the top. So for me it's bonsai, okay, bonsai tree. So once you search over here, then the next thing which you need to do is all just click over here. So these are the top posts for bonsai tree. So whatever your keyword is, then the next thing is just click over here. Okay, so once you are over here, just click on this Pinterest account, and then the next thing which you need to do is follow people in your niche. So basically, as you could see right now, it's getting around 200,000 monthly viewers, which means it's a lot. So now the next thing which you need to do is just go on community and follow the followers for this account. So which means they would be definitely interested in your niche as well. So all you have to do is just click over here and just follow them, and in a day you get follow 100 people. So if you do it for 1 month, you would be able to get around 3,000 followers in your same niche. So once step 2 is done, so basically follow followers of your competitors. So basically this is one of your competitors or they are in your same niche. Once this is done, the next thing is very easy guys. Just go on your profile again, just go on home. So now what you have to do is just click on your profile. Once you click on your profile, you could see this thing. So you need to start creating pins, and creating pins is very easy. So for in fact, let's say you can create a pin. Once you do that, then what you have to do is we had written a blog about bonsai tree. So this is one of my keywords. If you want to know how to optimize your website, how to create a website, and how to use Google to optimize it, I've created a free course. Check it down below. So this is our website right now. So what you have to do is just upload the image over here, add the title. So again, it's the same thing, copy paste it over here, tell something about the pin, you don't even have to do it, and add a destination link, and that's it. And then you can just post it. And the other way is they have a plugin as well, a Chrome extension. So it's very simple. Once you have the Chrome extension, you just have to click over here, and then it will be directly posted in Pinterest. So now what would this happen is the people you had followed in step 2 would be able to see your post, and if they really like it, they are going to view it and reshare it. And again, I always teach that, you know, if you create backlinks, you would be able to rank higher on Google. And very basic guys, you can put ads over here. So once you have a lot of traffic, you can put AdSense over here. You could sell products, you could use affiliate marketing, you could use ClickBank and start making more money. So it's very simple, and this is how you could start generating traffic. So again, just to sum up, you know, step 1 is sign up, step 2 is follow followers of your competitors. So if you just search your keyword over here, click here, I could see this one, basic bonsai. So you could see they are having around 250,000 monthly viewers. So all you have to do is just follow their followers. So just click on community and do it. And the third thing is upload a pin. So all you have to do is click here and just upload your pin. And that's it for today's video. If you would like to learn more about viral techniques and how to optimize your website for traffic, check the free course below. And that's it for today's video. Yaver Khan signing off.